Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. Now we will handle the add button click event and we will create the PieChart slices. In the last video we designed the form or we designed the stage using the scene builder, and FXML is ready now. So in our controller, we have to create observable list for PieChart.Data. So in the very first video we saw that this PieChart.Data will get what we want to measure and what is the measured value. So based on those two information we can construct a PieChart.Data. Then this is the observable list, right? Here you can collect the data, add that to this chart data, then finally give this chart data to the PieChart. PieChart will take care of rendering the required information. So in the initialize method, this is null, right? If you see fx collection observable array list. So from fx collection we are creating the array list and we are populating the chart data with the array list. Then we are setting the title as product sales in year. So when chart data is displayed, we saw that here you saw the slice, right? PieChart slice, and here is the title, and that's the title here we are giving. So on the top it will display product sales in a year. Alright, in the initialize method we populated the chart data, then we set title for our chart, and this chart file, if you see, this is the fx id we gave when we are designing our FXML. Next, in the add event FXML entry we already added. So this routine will get called whenever user clicks the add button. So during the time we read data from the UI, because in the UI user will provide product name. So we have the chart item string, that's the product name, then value. So this is the measured entity and measured value. So from the second text box txt sales, we are creating new integer and we are converting that as a double value and we are storing that here. So to create PieChart.Data, so this constructor needs two information, right? Those two informations are ready from our UI. Here we add so here we construct the PieChart.Data and we add it to the chart. So PieChart.Data equal to new PieChart.Data, and if you see we are passing the chart item and value, constructed the chart PieChart.Data. So all these stuffs are happening when you click the add button. Finally, chart data dot add. So chart data is the collection, right? So to the collection we are adding the data. So data points we are adding, or data slice we can say. So to make a data slice we need two information, chart, what we want to, or the item, and what is the weightage. So those two information, based on that we created this slice and we are giving that to the observable list. Finally, this is our observable list, right? We give this observable list to our pie chart. So each time when user clicks this, we generate a new slice and we will update our FX collection. Then we will set the data. So chart pie is our fxml entry, right? Chart pie, if you see, we already used it in the initialize method to set the title. Now we are using the same fxml entry and we make a call to set data method, and to the set data method we give the list. The list is nothing but our slice list. Since this entry is created in the initialize will be called only once, but this routine will be called whenever user clicks the add button. So on each add, we will be updating our observable list collection, and we update our chart, pie chart, with a new revised data. Finally, in the text area, we are appending the data. So this will be a visual clue for the user what are all the data that was added to the pie chart. So previously added element we want to show. So that's what here we are doing. Alright, now we will go to the demo and implement these code changes. Alright, now we will go to the controller. Here is the initialize method 35.1. and we will keep it as X. Why? Because we are changing it for each and every example. .1. So we need observable list, right? So we will declare that here. So as already explained in the slide, this will collect the slices for the pie chart. Inside the initialize method, we will initialize our observable list using FX collection from JavaFx collection package. Then we set title for our pie chart, chart pie. Chart pie is the XML entry we added. Then here in the add method, we will create the slice and add it to the chart. So the code was already explained in the slide, so we will rebuild this and experiment our example. So here you can see pie chart example, product sales in a year. Now we will put so you can see at present there is only one slice. There is no item to compare here, so only one slice and it occupies all 360-degree. Now we will put one more entry. So now there are two slices and you can see how the pie chart is making the slice based on the weightage. Car sales is 1000, so high weightage is given to it, and the slice for Jeep is less. Why? Because it's just 600. lorry or a truck. $220. And we will make one more entry. So you can see how it works. So this will graphically give you an overview of how the sales was done in the running year, and the graphical representation quickly gives you an review of which one was sold more in the year and which one is less. So that's all here in this example. Thank you for watching. Bye.